Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SamCart checkout process, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your SamCart account. Navigate to the products section in your dashboard. Select the product for which you want to fix the checkout process. Click on the checkout tab within the product settings. Review the current checkout page to identify any issues. Check the fields you have included on the checkout form. Ensure all necessary information is being collected from customers. Look for any formatting errors or typos in the text. Adjust the design elements for better visibility and user experience. Test the checkout flow by simulating a purchase. Fill in the required fields as a customer would. Verify that the payment options are functioning properly. Check for any error messages during the checkout process. If errors occur, note them for further troubleshooting. Visit the settings section in your dashboard for payment integrations. Ensure your payment gateways are correctly set up. Reconnect or update any payment processor accounts as needed. Return to the checkout page and refresh to apply changes. Perform another test transaction to ensure fixes are effective. Review the confirmation page to ensure it displays correctly. Make sure the order confirmation emails are being sent out. If problems persist, consult the SamCart Help Center or support resources. Regularly review and update your checkout process for optimal performance. Continue monitoring customer feedback for any additional issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.